says work harder, wake up earlier, sleep later, grind more, push harder. But here's the uncomfortable truth unfolds. Hard work alone doesn't guarantee success. Because a man digging 10 random holes with full effort will still lose to the person who digs one deep well. The difference isn't effort, the difference is focus. And science has been proving this for years. The myth of endless hustle. We often confuse being busy with being productive. Answering messages, switching between apps, watching study videos, checking notification. It feels like work, but your brain knows the difference. According to cognitive psychology, every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a switching cost. Researchers like Dr. David Mayer, Dr. Joshua Rubinstein, and Dr. Jeffrey Evans from the University of McGill found that frequent task switching significantly reduces efficiency because the brain needs time to reorient itself. You are not working faster, you are simply restarting your concentration again and again. What deep work really is? Now the question arises. Author and computer science professor like Cal Newport introduced the idea of deep work. Deep work means professional activities performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that push your cognitive abilities to their limit. This is where difficult problems get solved. This is where creativity happens. Think about it. A student studying with complete focus for 90 minutes often learns more than the student studying distracted for 5 hours. Why? Because your brain doesn't reward time, it rewards quality of attention. The science behind focus. There's another powerful concept called deliberate practices. Psychologist Dr. K. Anders Ericsson spent decades studying elite performers, musicians, athletes, chess players, and professionals. His research showed something surprising. The world's best performers didn't simply practice more, they practiced better. Deliberate practice means working on your weakness with full concentration, immediate feedback, and continuous improvement. Not mindless repetition, purposeful improvement it needs. That's why 1 hour of deliberate practice can outperform several hours of ordinary practice. Excellence isn't created by repetition. It's created by intentional repetition. Now, how you can practically implant this approach in your real life? Like its practical application. So, how do you apply this today? The question arises. Simple. Before starting work, ask yourself, what is the one task that will actually move my life forward? Then, turn off notification. Keep only one tab open. Set a timer for 60 to 90 minutes. Work on only that task. No scrolling, no multitasking, no unnecessary interruption. Your brain needs uninterrupted time to build stronger neural pathways. Focus is like a muscle. The more you train, the more stronger it becomes. So stop asking how many hours did I work. Start asking how many minutes was I completed focus. Because success isn't built by endless hustle. It's built by deep, intentional, distraction-free effort. Remember this, hard work fills your schedule, where deep work changes your future. And in a world full of distraction, the ability to focus may become your greatest competitive advantage. Thank you.